Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Delaware County in southeast Pennsylvania, southern Philadelphia County in southeast Pennsylvania, Camden County in southern New Jersey. This includes the cities of Gloucester City, Camden, Gloucester County in southern New Jersey until 6:30 p.m. At 5:10 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending across extreme southeastern Pennsylvania and northern Delaware, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Severe thunderstorms will be near Chester around 5:25 p.m., Fulcroft, Swedesboro, and Beckett around 5:30 p.m., South Philadelphia, Philadelphia International Airport, Paulsboro, and Gibbstown around 5:35 p.m., West Deptford and Ben Franklin Bridge around 5:40 p.m. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. If a tornado is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety in a sturdy structure, such as a basement or small interior room. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, prepare immediately for damaging winds, hail, and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. People outside should move to a shelter, preferably inside a strong building, but away from windows. Please report hail or strong winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-877-633-6772 when you can do so safely. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey, Camden, and Gloucester.